Hammaga assalomu alaykum do'stlar. Sizlar Azamjon Abdulaziz kanalidasizlar. Do'stlar, bugungi videoda biz akkauntni grafikalari haqida gaplashamiz. To'g'ri grafika, telefonim qatyapti degan gaplarga nuqta qo'yamiz. Bugun videoni ko'rishdan oldin like va obunani bosib qo'yinglar. Qani bo'lmasam ketdik. Xo'p do'stlar, ko'pchilikda telefoni dilasi o'ynasa qizib ketib, jonli o'yinlarda qatishni boshlaydi. Shu gaplarni ko'rib chiqqan holda bugun biz grafikalar haqida gaplashamiz. Xo'p, telefonda agar sizning telefoningiz kuchli bo'ladigan bo'lsa, nastroyka bo'limiga kirasiz va pastda Advanced degan joyni bosasiz va grafik deb yozib qo'ygan yozuvni ustiga bossangiz grafikalar kelib chiqadi. Va bu yerdan agar siz iPhone qurilmasida yoki Honor qurilmasida o'ynasangiz 60 FPS va pastidagini heightga qo'yib turib no override deganga qo'yib OK deysizlar, sizlarda telefoninglar maksimalniy o'ynaladi, maksimalniy grafikada. Agarda sizlar telefoninglar qizib ketib, qatib, kuchsiz bo'ladigan bo'lsa, buni auto 30 fps yoki 30 fps ga qo'yib, buni medium yoki low ga qo'yib qo'ysanglar bo'ldi. Agar low ga qo'yadigan bo'lsanglar, sizlarda grafikalar eng pastda, mediumda o'rtacha, heightda esa eng kuchlisi degani. Xo'p, men o'rtachasiga qo'ydim va hozir sizlarga bir ikkita matchlarimdan ko'rsatib beraman. Xo'p do'stlar, mana biz hozir 30 fpsda o'ynab ko'rsataman sizlarga. O'yin boshlandi. Yaxshi zarba. Ko'rganinglardek umuman qatishlarsiz o'yin bo'lyapti. Keyingi videoda agarda shu videoda 100 ta like yig'ilsa, keyingi videoda akkaunt uchun to'g'ri taktika tuzishni o'rgataman. Shuning uchun like'larni bosib qo'yinglar. Yangi kanal ko'tarilsin, iltimos. Birinchi golni urdik biz.
Like this team are leading and they're taking a step towards the next round. Will we see a goal? Gets into safety. Fafana tackles. It's 1-0, but what will the winning side do in the second half? Attempt to increase their lead or try to protect it? 45 minutes left to play in this final cup game. It's Federici. He's starting forward, using the width of the pitch. It's the first goal of the day, and it's
2-0. Yana xuddi shu narsani qilyapti Vinicius va Haaland.
Let's see that one again.
Xo'p do'stlar, mana 2-0 hisob.
Now Saliba. It's winner takes all in cup games.
Salah
This team have got on the score sheet.
tezlikda yutuqda pas berdi. Haaland hat-trick.
This team will be glad to see the back of this player as he gets his hat-trick. Pulisic.
Offside.
Offside.
Sarg'aymasini Kylian Mbappe.
The passing has been so accurate. Now, there's been a goal. The losing team will have to do something. Or they're heading out.
Yetmadi pasini
Performance today, but maybe they can get on the score sheet.
Va
Has
to'pga
to do something here.
sariq kartochka raqibga va jarima zarbasi. Salgina yondosh bo'lakan. Ko'ramiz.
What a chance!
Gol.
No messing about
4-0.
there. Clean finish.
Salahning
Will
zarbasini
be pleased with
ko'rdingizmi?
that effort. It'll do his confidence the world
Darvoza
of good.
to'siniga teggan.
Pulisic. Bellingham with the ball. Great dribbling by Jimenez. Now it's Vinicius. Well, the fourth official has indicated 4 minutes of stoppage time. Mbappe. Maignan to the rescue. Pulls the trigger. Oh, that's just on
Kylian
target.
Mbappe sayolmadi.
Not letting up. We want to score
Va
more
o'yin
and more goals. And the referee blows for full time. They've progressed through to the next stage of the competition.
video yoqqan bo'lsa like, obuna tugmasini bosib qo'yinglar. Keyingi videolarda ko'rishguncha xayr.